She designed clothing inspired by traditional cultural motifs. She designed clothing inspired by traditional cultural motifs.
Psychological thrillers manipulate memory to spark uneasy paranoia. Psychological thrillers manipulate memory to spark uneasy paranoia.
Monetary velocity declines during liquidity traps episodically. Monetary velocity declines during liquidity traps episodically.
Greedy traders manipulate markets for short-term advantage. Greedy traders manipulate markets for short-term advantage.
Feature toggles help test edge cases in production. Feature toggles help test edge cases in production.
Own house warranties cover major appliance failures sometimes. Own house warranties cover major appliance failures sometimes.
Sous chefs arrange steaming dishes on warming trays. Sous chefs arrange steaming dishes on warming trays.
Startups pitch fintech solutions for cross-border payments. Startups pitch fintech solutions for cross-border payments.
Turbulence studies reveal chaotic current interactions near turbines. Turbulence studies reveal chaotic current interactions near turbines.
Flow ecologists monitor in-stream habitats for aquatic recovery. Flow ecologists monitor in-stream habitats for aquatic recovery.
River stones shimmer after heavy spring mountain rains. River stones shimmer after heavy spring mountain rains.
Urban poverty isolates families from essential social services. Urban poverty isolates families from essential social services.
Climatic anomaly assessments necessitate adaptive institutional planning. Climatic anomaly assessments necessitate adaptive institutional planning.
Micro-apartments incorporate multifunctional furniture to save space. Micro-apartments incorporate multifunctional furniture to save space.
She wrote scripts for independent film productions. She wrote scripts for independent film productions.
They built apps for language learning and practice. They built apps for language learning and practice.
Money market mutual funds offer overnight liquidity options. Money market mutual funds offer overnight liquidity options.
Semantic analysis detects sentiment in financial news feeds. Semantic analysis detects sentiment in financial news feeds.
Photovoltaic arrays produce stochastic power under cloud transients. Photovoltaic arrays produce stochastic power under cloud transients.
Mindfulness meditation modulates amygdala reactivity, reducing anxiety. Mindfulness meditation modulates amygdala reactivity, reducing anxiety.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.